Now the third one is isochoric process. So isochoric is constant volume process. Volume is constant. Fine. So process equation will be volume is constant, so P by T is equal to constant.
Right.
This is the process equation. Graph will be pressure, volume, like this.
Yes.
Got it? Then in this process, isochoric process, we have volume is constant, so we have standard CV, that is F by 2R.
Right.
For this process, Q is equal to, I can say NCV delta T ho jayega. In this process, work done is 0.
Okay. dV 0 है because.
So इसीलिए Q is equal to delta U is equal to NCV delta T होता है.
पिछले वाले में इंटरनल एनर्जी 0 थी ना?
पिछले वाले में इंटरनल एनर्जी 0 हो रहा था. Because टेम्परेचर चेंज नहीं हो रहा था. Internal energy depends on the temperature.
Right.
Got it? So this is like isochoric process. One thing I will like to tell you about this isothermal process is, जो मैं भूल गया बताना, I should have told you isothermal process के बारे में यहाँ पे ही, that any process which is carried out very slowly in a conducting container is an isothermal process.
Okay.
Any process carried out very slowly in a conducting container is isothermal, because the process is being carried out very slowly, so the temperature change will be very small, and the moment there is a temperature change dt, it will be balanced with the surrounding, the conducting container. तो कभी कदार नहीं लिखा रहेगा आपको isothermal process is being carried out. They will write a process is being carried out very slowly. They will write like this. So you have to understand that it's an isothermal process.
Okay.
Fine, Gurashish.
Yes, sir.